Hi everyone, welcome back to our behind the scenes series. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to create folders to group your DAX measures. For this demonstration, we'll be using the marketing dashboard template. If you'd like to explore its full functionality, click the link above. And as always, you'll find all the resources available for download in the description. Now, let's get started. Here's a copy of the Power BI template with all the DAX measures already created. The first step is to switch over to the model view. From here, we'll select all the measures that you'd like to group together. Begin by clicking the first measure as the starting point. You can either hold down the Ctrl key and click each measure one by one. Or, if the measures are listed consecutively, simply click the first one, hold down Shift, and then click the last one to select the entire stretch at once. Once the measures are selected, head over to the Display Folder field, type in the folder name prior year, and then press Enter. That instantly creates a folder and places all of those measures inside. Let's repeat the process for the selected year measures. Select the group of measures, type in selected year as the folder name, and confirm. To finish up, let's apply the same steps to the remaining measures, grouping them into a folder named Base, which is used to contain the foundational measures for the model. With the folders created, switch back to the report view, and you'll now see that all of the measures are clearly organized into the 3 new folders. This makes navigating your model much easier, especially when the number of measures starts to grow. And that's it. The Power BI template is now much more organized with the new folders. If you're looking for more dashboard tips and templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.